going to work on the count up method to show your kids just how easy it is to do subtraction problems by adding. So let's take a look. I've got my third graders with me today, and they're really brand new with this right now. So they're going to walk through this with me as we do it right up here in front. So you're live with us in Wallerville, and hey, thanks for joining us today. As Emma would say, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. There's no subscribe button for that, but let's just have some fun with our count-ups, all right? All right, so we're going to start here with a traditional problem. We'll say 692 minus 368. Just a traditional problem you might come across. Okay? As you can see up here, I have written target. That's the number we're trying to get to. The first thing you want to do is take this number, and we're going to send that up to the top. Okay? Because in the count up method, we're using that subtraction number to add to it to get to our target number of 692. All right, so third graders, good luck to us. Let's see what we do here, okay? So we have 368. I'll also use two colors to give you an idea of what we're doing. I got to make this 8 into a 2. That can be confusing. So as we talk all the time, find a benchmark, a 0 or a 5. So, guys, how am I going to make an 8 into a 0? Hudson?
Add a 2.
Okay, we're going to add 2. So go ahead, guys, on yours, do that. We're going to add 2. And 368 plus 2 makes it 370. Now, what you want to look for is the ones column. We have a 0. Our target number has a 2. We don't have it yet. So what are we going to add to 370 to make a 2 right here? Mega.
You add a 2.
We're going to add 2. Okay, we're going to add 2 to that. And now we have 372. Now as we look, our 2 in the ones column is the same as our 2 up here in the ones column. So I've been showing these guys here. I just make a little red thing under there. That tells us that that one's locked in. We found that one. So now we're going to go to our tens column, and there's 7 tens. Our target number needs 9 tens. So Avery, how many tens do we need to add to 372 to make 692? 2 tens. So we are going to add 20 to that. We don't ever want the ones column to change again. So that's always going to be zeros. And as Avery said, it's 2 tens. So now 372 plus 20 gets us to 392. We have a 9, and we have a 9 here, which means we found that number. So I'm going to lock that one out. All right. Now, I have 3 hundreds. I need to have 6 hundreds. Eden, how many hundreds do I have to add?
300.
300, right. So I'm going to add 300 to that number. Reminding ourselves these have to be zeros because these can't change. They're locked in. So now I take that, and I have 2 in the ones, 9 in the tens, and I now have 6, which again is what I wanted. And if I look, 692, I have 692. The question you're asking yourself, though, is where's the answer? It's very simple. It's all these addition numbers. Every time we add, there's our thing. So we're going to move 300 up because we want to kind of keep this in place value mode. So 300, we have 110, so that's 20. All right, so that's there. And then 2 plus 2 is 4. So we'll put that there. Wow. We look at this difficult problem, or this really difficult problem. That's not very difficult. 0, 0, 4. That gives us 4. 0 and 2. That's a 2. And drop our 3. And our answer to 692 minus 368 is 324. Now you can do a real quick check if you want. You can take your 300 and 24. And you can add to that the number we had, 368. And 8 and 4 is 12. Carry that to 10. 6, 7, 8, 9. And 3 and 3 is 6. 692. 692. Voila! You just counted up to do subtraction. Learn that, and the algorithm becomes easy. Check this one out here on our YouTube channel. I hope it helps you, and we're on to more problems. So we'll see you next time.